What it do, folks? It's your guy TopDownKickz with a Z. And for today's video, man, I got a banger. I got these Air Jordan Retro 3s called the SE Unite. I bought these bad boys last week for 60 bucks. It was a straight steal. All they need is a nice cleanup on the bottoms, a little couple of ice sessions, no paint needed. So let's get this video started. Let's get it. If you have any rocks, chips from the pavement, grab a razor, maybe a knife, get that out. It helps the process smoother. It makes the shoe look more cleaner, nicer. You want to bust out that dab sauce. This is the most important step. You want to spread it evenly around the shoe, not too much sauce, not too less. Just put enough where you can spread it across evenly, up and down in circle motions. Do that and I cut right back to you. For any questions about how long you should ice for, how many hours, drop a comment down below and I'll get right back to you. Here's the results from icing. They came a lot cleaner than I thought they would, but there's still a couple spots and stains that we need to get out. So you want to use this acetone with a rag and be careful and just dab a little bit at a time. Keep wiping until you see better results. But for the best part about this steal that I got for 60 bucks, I don't have to do any painting. I don't have to wash these shoes from inside out. You want to make sure you be careful when you go around the midsole using this stuff, because it will remove any paint, literally, man. If you have any length in the insole, you want to take maybe a sharp object. Be careful. I'm using a knife, so you want to go slow than usual. You can buy a length remover machine on Amazon for about 8 to 10 bucks. I plan on ordering that down the road, but I'm just showing you a home inside free tutorial. So as you can tell, I'm going slower than usual, so I'm gonna let the rest of this part of this video speed out, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip, which will be the before and after pictures. So let me know what you think. Make sure you hit that like if you made it this far. You an OG, and if you have subscribed, and if you've been watching all my videos without subscribing, what are you waiting for, man? I got a bunch of videos coming in and out. I also have a TikTok page. You can follow that at TopDownKickz with a Z. I'll just drop it down in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.